Welcome to our deep dive into predictive modeling in artificial intelligence. We'll start by exploring the basics. What is predictive modeling? It's a process using statistical techniques to predict future outcomes based on historical data. In AI, these predictions become more accurate and dynamic thanks to machine learning algorithms. Next, we'll delve into the types of predictive models in AI, from simple linear regression to complex neural networks. Each model has its unique strengths and applications, and we'll see how they're used in various industries. Then, we'll discuss the process of creating a predictive model. This includes data collection, pre-processing, selecting the right algorithm, training the model, and finally, testing and deployment. We'll highlight the importance of data quality and the challenges of ensuring model accuracy. We'll also touch upon the ethical considerations in predictive modeling. It's crucial to understand the potential biases in data and models and how they can impact decisions. Finally, we'll look at the future of predictive modeling in AI, the exciting advancements and the challenges that lie ahead. Join us as we unravel the fascinating world of predictive modeling in AI and discover its impact on our lives and future.